Two buttons on the DJI Mic 2 that you gotta get used to. It's the record button and the pair button. You could kind of ignore the record button. I say that because if you don't own a receiver, then it is what it is, man. The record button, long press, won't buzz. But if you press to record your internal recording, it'll do two things. It'll give you a short buzz for record, two short buzzes to stop record. The pair button doesn't have a vibrate, but the record long to switch between receiver and Bluetooth of, you got it, the Osmo Action 4 or the Osmo Pocket 3. Yeah, if you want to start and stop and trigger the Osmo Action 4 and Osmo Pocket 3 to feel a buzz that you hit record, then to hear the beep, you're not going to have it. The last two DJI Mic 2s I had, and this one, I felt it. It's called a glitch. Even with the Pocket 3 or the Action 4, the DJI Mic doesn't connect. It has to cycle through if it misses the instant connect. So now that I got that out of the way and cleared it up, I hope you all can understand how the DJI Mic 2 works.